Today we're off to Gympie's public gold fossicking area. We're going to have a look around the place, and when we get home we'll see if we found any gold. My daughter Holly will be joining us. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go. The north car park is at the end of Victoria Road and the south car park is at Counter Street. Now the place where you're most likely going to find gold is the pits. It's right near the north car park, but it's got a little bit of a tricky river crossing, so for accessibility you're better off going to the fords. Now to get to the first ford, you're better off parking at the south car park and walking the couple of 100 metres there. It's an easy walk. And for the second ford, the north car park is simpler, and you can just walk across the hill a little bit and you're there. Gympie's literally built on top of Queensland's largest gold deposit. Now the Fossicking area is marked down here in blue. It's about a couple of k's south of town, and I'm marking in green Deep Creek as it runs through the Fossicking area. From the south car park, you can just walk about 3 minutes and you get down to the first ford. It's really accessible for those who might have walking difficulties, and it's probably the place where a lot of Queenslanders will dip their first pan into the creek to try and find some gold. So just get that material properly just now, backwards and forwards like this.
Yeah.
You got a little bit of gold.
Nice.
Now it's time to serve your conscience overseas, coming in fast over me.
What, that one? Oh yeah, yeah.
We're in the right spot.
Glad I got one.
Right?
Yeah.
Really stand out. You like shine and stuff. Sometimes I don't know what I'm looking at.
Holly kept on saying, "Hey Dad, I dug a hole," like making out as if I was Daryl Kerrigan. But have a look at her use of the shovel. It is absolutely pathetic. She's not lifting anything out of there other than water. We all decided to head down to the pits because generally you can find a little bit more gold there. It's a short walk from the North Car Park, but it's got a tricky little river crossing. Here we got another dismal attempt by Holly trying to dig a hole, and eventually, like a good dad, I had to take over. But as you can see, I couldn't find any pay dirt either. Getting back up the bank from here can be a little bit tricky, so there's a couple of big tree roots that you can use as handholds. Some people dig little foot places in where you can step from, and I see someone's put a chain in there, I dare say probably to bring their mother-in-law down here so she can get back out. Second Ford's probably the prettiest of places, but I've never really had too much success finding any gold there. But there are some shady trees if you're down there in the middle of summer. Up near the South Car Park, right next to it, there's this great little camping spot called Calm the Farm. You need to be self-sufficient because there's no powered sites there, but it's really handy for anyone who wants to just walk straight into the prospecting area. Gympie itself is a bustling town, and you're not going to have any problems finding anything that you need. The main shopping centre is even called the Goldfields Plaza. There's countless servos, so you're going to have no problems getting fuel 24 hours. There's this great little army disposal store on Brisbane Road, and you can go in there and they've got everything you're going to need. You can walk around and have a look at their more expensive gear, but for a beginner, you can go in, buy a first pan, a pick or a shovel, whatever it is you may need, and get out to Deep Creek and have your first pan.
Camping, prospecting, fishing and military.
And the gold prospecting stuff, you got pans, vials, detectors and all. Yep. Do you get many prospectors sort of drop in it?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, okay. Are they all crazy?
Some of them.
But you reckon there's gold elsewhere around here as well?
Yeah, pretty much any creek bed or riverbed you'll find something.
This is what we've found in Gympie across a day. I'm not going to kid you, it's pretty hard to find anything there, but the best plan is to try and dig where someone else has been and just dig a little bit deeper or wider than they have, and you've got a fair chance of finding something. Now, just one point of note here is that when you do find your gold, sometimes the gold can appear silver in colour. It's actually gold that's covered in mercury, so don't be too fussed if the gold isn't as shiny as you thought it should be.